And to jumpstart our show with our amazing discovery of an equipment is Noelle, our gym instructor.
Yes, okay.
Let's go to her.
Yes.
Hello, Noelle.
Hello.
Hi.
You know, I can't wait for you to share with us what you told me kanina.
Yeah, we will be exercising using a very effective method that's been used for more than 20 years. And the results are guaranteed.
Wow, 20 years, tapos guaranteed results pa. What method are you gonna teach us?
We're going to do the firm.
From the sound of it, convinced na ako. Sana, I need to get firm.
I told you, will we need anything, start doing the firm?
Yes, to help us maximize the results, we'll be using the firm box. This isn't just any regular step box. It's built sturdy and sure and secure para di na kayo madudulas o ma-out of balance when you step on it.
Oh, wow. Matibay siya. It's not budging. Oh, ayan o.
And meron siyang adjustments for extension and inclination. Mamaya mapapakita natin yan.
Sige.
Okay, what do you mean by adjustments for extension and inclination?
Okay, so let me show you. If we maintain the firm box in its normal height, 6 inches lang ito. It's for our endless fat-burning cardio sequences. Now, if we fully extend the legs, magiging bench siya, its height increases to 14 inches. So then we can do the signature leg presses and more. So mas sculpt ito yung hips, thighs, and buttocks mo.
Okay, and how do we incline the firm box?
You can just release one leg, the other leg can still remain tucked under.
Oh, okay.
And for that, it's what we call the firm incline box. So you can do lunges and even line it for chest, glute, and ab exercises. So very versatile siya.
Ang galing. Let's try it na. I'm excited. Kaya lang, parang nahihiya ako, but I'm excited to try.
Okay, let's start. The firm box in its 6 inches height. Well, the position, and then we go. Music, please. Okay?
Sige.
Sige.
Ready to celebrate?
Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay.
Okay, you're gonna try this. Bring your feet together.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. 2 steps. Right? Left. Okay. Now. Yan. Anong nakahawak sa wrist mo?
Oo nga.
This is fun,
Big
ha?
five, big five. So step it back behind your foot.
Tap it here. Okay.
Okay, right leg. Left leg.
Good.
Actually starting to sweat it out. Konti-konti.
You move basic step. Up, up, down, down. Right leg. Yan. So make sure you land your entire foot on the box.
Here. Okay.
Yan. That's safe. Like this. Right side. Step up onto the box. Here's my left. Step up.
Paano yan? I'm really off it, but at least go in now. Di ba, Noelle? Once you're moving.
You move.
Okay.
Now your left leg. Up. Across. So if you want to, you can change the arms a bit more. Or you can just keep using the walking arms.
Okay, parang mas gusto kong walk.
So whatever you're comfortable with.
Yeah.
We're gonna add on, ha?
Okay, sige. Sige.
Step up, tap, step back. Step up, tap. Okay, let's go. Keep moving. Just like that. Come on, party. Stop.
Sige yan.
Step up. Okay lang. Yan. We're really getting started.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Konti-konti.
Stretch here. Stretch here. Lunge it back. Press down.
Yan. Gusto ko
Okay,
eh.
so tuck it in. We're gonna push up. Up and down. Look on the tiptoes. One of your calves. Other side, other side. Push down. Yan. Always make sure the abs are tucked in. Para firm ang foundation natin. Just take it from the top. Straight 5. Right side. Step
getting all worked up.
Wait until you see later.
Oo nga. Okay, enjoy lang.
Maniplayas sa big five.
Okay.
Step up. Last one.
I love it.
Obviously,
Okay.
Whoa! Okay ah.
That was fun. Very hindi ko nakuha and my legs are getting all worked up.
Grabe, yeah.
Even if hindi ako nakakasabay sa inyo.
that's the effect of the firm box on your body.
Oh.
Okay. Ayan na, Abby. Sinamahan na kita
Ooh,
mag-workout.
I love it. Enjoy ka naman, di ba?
I didn't realize cardio exercising can be this much fun and definitely distressing. No?
Alright, you guys were great. Kaya na-feel nyo agad yung effect using the firm method is because the firm box was really designed to sculpt and tone your whole body. Whenever we lunge and dip, nagtatrabaho agad ang muscles mo. And maganda sa firm, you can control the intensity of your workout depending sa position and height of your firm box. So if you watch and follow the firm exercise videos, and as you use the firm box, you can see your body transform in no time at all.
Wow, that's awesome. You know, from what I gathered, using the firm exercise, which is the firm box, will get shape to your legs, firmer buttocks, slicker arms, and flatter abs. Naku, araw-arawin ko na to. Enjoy it!
Oo nga, yung ginawa natin only took us a few minutes but na-feel natin agad yung effect sa ating legs. And sa midsection din natin, di ba?
Kasi the firm is also a hybrid of weightlifting and aerobics. You're using your weight, you're lifting it up. It combines the benefits of both types of training. And when I say weightlifting, hindi kailangan mabigat agad. Actually, you can use dumbbells. In Abby, you can use 3-pound weights. Tapos, ito yung kung seryosohan na talaga yung workout. So, because according to research, weightlifting plus aerobics causes more fat loss than just aerobics alone.
Okay, o ayan ha, Abby, we need the firm to be more firm and toned. Lahat ng katawan natin kailangan talagang, we have to look good.
Oo nga, like I said kanina, I can use the firm every day. Kasi masarap siyang gamitin. And I was like having fun when exercising. Mas, gaganahan talaga ako.
Oh, yeah, and the firm is really the right one for you. Now, let's try an exercise with both of our firm legs extended.
Okay.
This one is going to, if you release the legs,
Okay.
it's going to tone your legs with the lunges and the squats. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung incline, but we're going to extend both legs. Ayan. Just make sure it's locked. Okay, solid.
Okay, very solid.
Ayan. Solid siya.
Ready?
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to start off with some marches. Sana yung music.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Start marching. Para lang ma-warm up yung legs. Alright, step up, right leg. Here we go. Pulse. Down. Ayan. Stay with me. So you're actually dropping your back knee down. Try to straighten. Push the heel down as you lift. Good job. I'll switch legs. Left side. Ready? Drop.
Ito, kaya ko.
Okay, we're gonna try something new.
Okay.
Step off. Right leg steps up. Both leg up. Okay, step down. And together.
Okay.
Slow to because the music is slow.
Okay.
Wide. Step down. And together.
Okay.
A little bit more. Walk. Over the step. Ayan. So you really start to feel it right through here, the glutes.
Yeah, I love it.
If you squeeze your butt at the top, it feels really good. Okay, just leave it out. Last one. Okay, hold. That's it now.
Wow.
Grab it.
Feel it. Grabe.
Thank you, Noel, for introducing us to the firm and showing us what fun and firming workout we can do with it. Wow.
Well, as an instructor, it's always a pleasure to share our secrets to those willing to be fit and bahagia.
You got right, man.
Be strong, show resistance, and that's why